Hey, super excited for this collab. Hello, my name is Lady, and today we are going to be planning in our planners with stickers from the new Cherish collection. I'm super excited about this collection. It was designed so that you can remember the holiday magic, and I'm not only going to give you this plan with me, but this is a collaboration with the super awesome Celeste over at Magnolia, and at the end of the video I will give you a super awesome discount, so make sure to watch till the end and let's dive into the plan with me. Yay! To kick things off, we will be turning, well, for some reason I can't put headers down without turning my planner sideways. It's just the way that works for me. So we flip the video around so that it doesn't look weird for you. And I am placing all of my today headers across the top. This kit does come with 4 different colors of headers, which is really fun. And it does provide 8 of each type of header. So you get 8 todays, 8 to-dos, 8 littles, and then 8 miscellaneous. It actually might be more, 12 miscellaneous. And now we are placing, well, I'm placing the full boxes, and oh my goodness, these full boxes are so fun with all the different plants and cactuses, I can't remember now when I'm doing a video. Oh well. Placing all of the wonderful plants down and just looking at where things are going. I tried to go with like almost an every other look with the full boxes with the white versus full color, and then now placing the to-do headers across the second section of the planner. Oh my goodness, I can't talk today. And I also like to coordinate my check boxes with the full boxes above them so they kind of match. And following that across the planner. And these ones are very light in color, so just super easy to match those. And now placing all of the little stickers along the 3rd section. And just placing stickers. And let me know. So I've tried a couple of styles of doing plan with me's. And do you like to see your planner where it's practically the same going down a day, where it's very uniform? Or do you like things to be a little bit more mixed up during in between your days? Let me know how you like to plan. I like to know how everybody else likes to do it. I'm very much, depending on my week, I like to make sure that going from top to bottom, it's a very uniform look. If I feel like I have a lot to do in that week, if I feel like I have a little bit more creative space with my week, then I will be a little bit more creative with my style. So if I need more structure in my week, I try to make it more similar and look the same. So let me know how you plan, because I'm super interested to know. After placing some of my littles in that 3rd section and my bottom washi, I decided I actually wanted to use the double box that comes with the kit as a free bonus. And the sticker kit is made with removable sticker paper, so it was super easy to pull up the stickers that I had already put down, because if you move slowly enough, not slowly enough, but if you move slowly, don't like rip it off real quick, it won't mess up your paper underneath in your planner. So super awesome about that. Also placed 2 little decorative stickers on the ends of the washi, and included the weekend sticker on the bottom of that double box on the weekend. And in true camera fashion, my camera did cut off on me, so we're popping right back into this. There is a super awesome discount if you use the link in the description box below of this video. I can't promise how long this is going to stay in stock. It's already kind of headed that way. I'm getting ready to send an email to my email list about it. It has the possibility of selling out. This has been the most popular kit of this collection so far. So if you're interested, make sure to click the link in the description box below. Head over to Magnolia. I love the way she plans. Her video will be in the description box below and in the first comment, so make sure to check that out.